Hello, it's me, Usab Samjatapa from Group B. I'm from Team Azar, and the title of our project is Library Management System. There are 4 members in our group. They are Abhi Samal, Utsab Thapa, Roshan Khadka, and Ashish Shrestha. We have created this library management system. I have done work at the front end of this project, and today I am going to explain you the code, and I'll show you by running the code. In this code, this is our code of library management system, final code. At first, we have import many things like combo box. Combo box is a combination of an entry widget and a list box widget. A combo box widget allows you to select one value in a set of values. In addition, it allows you to enter a custom value. And second, we have import frame. Frame is a top level widget. It is placed on the parent window and is used to group other widgets. It improves the UI of the application. Python frames are also called panels. Python particular frame attributes refers to the features. Most of the features are common in every widget, but there are few features that work only on the specific widget. Common features are like BG, width, height, FG, etc. From Tkinter import star. This means that I want access to all the names in Tkinter module. And from Tkinter import TTK. It is important to do these two imports in this order, so that all the widgets types from TTK will place the equivalent widgets from Tkinter. For example, all your button widgets will come from TTK and not Tkinter. Message box. Tkinter message box is a module in Python which provides a different set of dialogues that are used to display message box, showing errors or warning, widgets to select files or change colors, which is a pop-up box with a relevant message being displayed along with a title based on a requirement in Python applications, with an icon and interrupts the user flow to take input from the user is called Tkinter message box. And lastly, SQLite 3. SQLite is a C library that provides a lightweight disk-based database that doesn't require a separate server process and allows accessing the database using a non-standard variant of the SQL query language. Then we have created a class. We use keyword class to create a class, and the init function is called automatically every time the class is being used to create a new object. And the root is created, and here's the title of our app, and here is the geometry. It is the default in which we open it, which we see firstly after running the program. Here is label. This is a title, big title, and here is the text library management system. This is busy color, and here is font, Times New Roman, pad X, pad Y, and here is frame. frame. From here this is the part of data frame left. Label frame widget in Tkinter is used for drawing a border around the child widgets that it contains along with its own label. And here it is label entry box, also label entry box of title, label entry box of first name, label and entry box of last name, label and entry box of temporary address. Here is permanent address, here it is mobile number, and here it is book ID, book title, author name, date of issue, date of return, relate return file. Now we are in data frame right. This is right data frame. In right data frame there is label frame, which is used for drawing a border. And then this label frame is of book details. Background color is powder blue. And here is text. And this is scroll bar, which we can scroll with the help of mouse. And this is the section of add books. There is the list of books present in the library. Here is the height and width of the box, list box. And here is the loop. This is the main button frame where we have defined the function add. It is used to add the member and books the member have issued, and the book details which member have issued from the library. And here is also for loop. Where is for loop? This is in con.close is used to close the function. Here is the update, by which we can update the details of the members and books. Here is def show. By this we can see the details which is in our library, which have been saved in our library. Here is reset. By clicking this reset button, we can reset all the system and clear all the details and data present in the system. Frame button is used to create frame. Here is button, which is called add data. And here is show data. This is update button, reset button, and exit button. This is information frame, in which we can see information of the members. And this is the scroll bar, which we can scroll. Here is the self. Self represents the instance of the class. By using the keyword, we can access the attributes and methods of the class in Python. It binds the attributes with the given arguments. And at last, here is exit function, and here is root.destroy. It means exit the system, and root.main loop. Now we will see by running the code. Okay, so this is our library management system. Now here we will type member type is student, here number 1 2 3, number 1 2, first name, hobbies, Amal, temporary address, KTM, permanent address, plugins, mobile number 9812346. we'll type book id 1, book title red shirt book, author name James Joyce, date of issue 02/14, date of return 02/16. Then fine, we'll write later on if the book is returned delayed. Here you can see the book details, and this is the scroll bar. These are all the books available in the library, and we have entered the data here, and we will click add data, and the data is been added. There was already one data here, and this Abi Samal is in 3 number because it is third, and we have add data. Now we will add another data. Roshan Khadka, Kai 2, here we have added second data, and we will also add this also. Okay, we have added 2 data. Now we will close this and we will run again, and we will click show data. Okay, here it is, Abi Samal and Roshan Khadka. We have added recently. Now if we have to update the data, we will click here update, and we'll click number. If we have to update Abi Samal, then we'll have to type 3 because its number is 3 update. Okay, here it comes. Now if we have to change ID number, then we can change here. We can change this number also. We can change book also. We can change mobile number also. Okay, now we'll click save for saving. Okay, now I think it is been saved. Login, close, and see. I'll click slow data. Okay, now it has been updated. Number is been updated. Yes, Samal section is updated. So this is how update button works. And if we click reset, then all the data will be cleared, just like I'll show you. I'll click reset. Now I'll exit. Again I'll run. Then I'll click show data. There is no end data, so it is been reset. And after we click exit, it will close our program. So this is our library management system. Thank you.